Introducing the new SanDisk Cruzer Blade flash drive, which paves the way to save and transfer your digital content from computer to computer or take it on the go. This ultra-compact and portable USB flash drive weighs only 9.07 grams and it having up to 32 GB memory storage capacity. It has USB 2.0 hardware interface. This USB flash drive has operating temperature 0 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius, storage temperature -10 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius, and has the read speed of 70 megabytes per second. It also includes added protection of secure online backup, up to 2 GB optionally available, offered by YuuWaa. This sleek Cruzer Blade USB flash drive with capless design comes in the dimension of 73.66 into 1.75 into 4.14 centimeters and in the color red and black. This pen drive is available in different sizes such as 8 GB, 16 GB, 32 GB, 64 GB and 128 GB. The mounting hardware inside the package is one flash drive. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.